So in our last session, we left with this example that if the beetles were starving, okay, because of this plant disease, what could be thought about the next progeny? Okay, so what would we expect the weight of the beetles to be in the next progeny? And all these things, the answer to this question lies in certain concepts, let's say acquired progeny and inherited traits. So let's understand these concepts. What do we mean by acquired and what do we mean by inherited traits? तो अगर हम सिंपल सा मीनिंग देखें अक्वायर्ड का, तो अक्वायर्ड करना मतलब डेवलप करना, ठीक है. सो अक्वायर्ड मीन्स टू डेवलप, टू अक्वायर मीन्स टू डेवलप. Just let me take this up. All right. So to acquire means to develop. And inherited. So what is the meaning of inherited? We know that inherited means derive genetically. Derive genetically. Inherited means to derive genetically from ancestors. So these are the meaning, simple meaning if we look into this words. Okay, so this means this and inherited means this. All right. Okay, so we discussed the idea that the germ cells of sexually reproducing populations are made in a specialized reproductive cell tissues. So basically we know what is germ cell. Germ cells are specialized cells, okay, right, that are there because they are responsible also like for who we are, okay. Now, if we consider the weight of the beetle is reduced because of the starvation, okay, हमने वो एग्जाम्पल में देखा था कि जो वेट रिड्यूस हुआ है वो किसकी वजह से हुआ है, स्टारवेशन की वजह से हुआ है, बिकॉज ऑफ द प्लांट डिजीज दे कुड नॉट ईट प्रॉपरली and because of that the weight of the beetle is reduced. So we can say that the weight of the beetle is reduced because of the starvation. Now that will not change the DNA of the germ cell, right? मतलब ये कुछ external factor है, वो उनको खाना नहीं मिल रहा है इसलिए उनका वेट कम हुआ है, ये उनके डीएनए की वजह से नहीं हुआ है और ना ही ये उनके डीएनए को अफेक्ट करने वाला है, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग एक्सटर्नल, ओके, नॉट to not be able to eat properly because of some reasons, that is external problem, that is not going to change the DNA of the germ cell. मतलब हमारे germ cell से जो कि responsible है हमारे traits के लिए, वो कोई change नहीं होने वाले हैं, right? So therefore we can say that low weight is not a trait that can be inherited by the progeny. Okay, this is really very important. So low weight, which is an external factor or which is an external thing, is not a trait that can be inherited by the progeny. बिकॉज लो वेट स्टारवेशन की वजह से हुआ है. स्टारवेशन एक एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर था, वो हमारे डीएनए को अफेक्ट नहीं कर सकता और इसीलिए वो ही ट्रेट जो है लो वेट का वो इनहेरिट नहीं हो सकता प्रोजेनी से, राइट? सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. नाउ देयरफॉर even if the some generations of the beetles are low in weight because of starvation, that's not an example of evolution naturally. So low weight is not going to affect evolution, right? Because it is external. As long as low weight is external issue, it's not going to affect the evolution. Since the change is not inherited over generations, तो ऐसे changes जो कि external factors की वजह से हैं, वो inherited नहीं होते generations में. Now, change is non-reproductive tissues cannot be passed on to the DNA of the germ cell. This is also one of the very important thing to know. चेंज इन नॉन रिप्रोडक्टिव टिश्यूज, जो भी हमारे नॉन रिप्रोडक्टिव टिश्यूज हैं उसमें अगर चेंज होता है तो वो पास नहीं हो सकते डीएनए में, ठीक है, डीएनए ऑफ द जर्म सेल्स जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल है ट्रेट के लिए, राइट। Therefore, the experience of an individual during its lifetime cannot be passed to its progeny and cannot direct evolution. तो ये जो भी लाइफ टाइम हम एक्सपीरियंस लेते हैं, हमारी पूरी लाइफ में जो हम एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं और उस एक्सपीरियंस की वजह से कुछ चीज हम सीखते हैं, मतलब अक्वायर करते हैं, कुछ चीज हम भूल जाते हैं, राइट। तो ऑल दिस थिंग्स दे आर our experiences, okay, during our lifetime. Now they cannot be passed to our progeny, right? If you know swimming, it's not necessary that your child would know swimming, and if you don't know swimming, it's not necessary that your child also would not know swimming, because he can learn that, okay, he can experience that during his or her lifetime. So all these experiences, they cannot be the factor of the evolution, right? And this is how they are called acquired traits. तो जो हमारी लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस की वजह से होते हैं या जो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स की वजह से होते हैं वो अक्वायर्ड ट्रेट्स हैं, ठीक है। ये हमारी जर्म सेल को चेंज नहीं करते, और बिकॉज वो हमारे जर्म सेल को चेंज नहीं करते, वो इनहेरिटेड नहीं हो सकते नेक्स्ट प्रोजेनी में।